Hello, my name is Zaki. I'm from 10th grade. I study Arduino for my project. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller with an easy C language to control device. Now I want to show how to control LED by Arduino Uno. The code setup are variables that I want to control. I want to control delay time of blinking LED. The delay shows lamp off and on in milliseconds. Let's see the result. Now I change the delay time. I'm Zaki Ramadan. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.